Hi, this is Christian Fint again for AVP Tech Canada and AVP Tech International. Today I would like to talk about MX Management Center and MX Control Center. Long-term robotics users and fans know that the Control Center software, even though it's the older piece of tool, is still the more feature-rich software, especially when it comes to dewarping the fisheye view, the hemispheric camera views, and exporting them into a different format. We cannot do this yet with MX Management Center. It is coming, I promise you that, but we still need to be a little bit patient until we get that feature implemented. So today I would like to show you what I do to bridge that gap for the time being. So let's jump right into it. You see my Management Center right here on the screen. I'm switching to a Q25, 5 megapixel image, older camera, but that's not the point for the moment. I'm switching to playback, so I'm searching for a nice video we can use for exporting. How about this one here? My dog walking from right to left. So let's take a look here. Yeah, so that's Bagheera, by the way. So he's walking from right to left. So let's say that's the clip I would like to have. So I'm going back to the beginning of the clip. Oh, well, looks good walking backwards. Okay, so here it is. So I'm marking it with click on the left flag here. Let me quickly mark it for you guys here. So I'm marking it right here with a click on the right flag, left flag. Then I do hit play. Okay. Until it has passed. And then I stop. And then I hit the right flag. Again, I'm quickly drawing it. So right here to mark the start and the end of my exporting. Okay, so once that's done, I'll do the export. I click on the export button. I choose the best quality available, the Mobotics MxPEC codec. I can choose different ones, but then I don't, as I said, have the opportunity to export dewarped videos. So I'm selecting the export feature. Okay, so now I'll simply call it dewarping, demo dewarping, AVI export. And as you can see up here, it is exporting. Export has finished. So now I'm exiting out of Management Center. And as you can see, Control Center is already started. It's a blank Control Center. I don't need anything in there. I go to the video source. I'm adding my clip. So here it is, demo dewarping. And I'm adding it to the layouts. The name is not really important, so I only call it demo. I'm not saving it. So that's the clip. We've exported it from Management Center, now imported it to Control Center. As you can see, Bagheera is walking nicely his route there. Okay, I'm opening up the player and the, and the PTZ controls. So now I'm switching to the PTZ mode. I want to have a nicer view. I don't need the house wall. I need basically only the view here. I'm zooming in a bit. Perfect. So let's pretend this is what I need for police services or insurance purposes, whatever it is. So I stop. I'll basically go to the start. I switch on the marker, switch to the end. You see the green line has been drawn now, and I click to add to export. Now in the export dialog, I can of course select my AVI as a format. From the settings, sorry, that's on a different screen here. I'll bring it over. I want to have a fixed resolution. I'll do the XGA. I want to have a fixed frame rate, 25 frames per second, no time lapse. I want the audio, no really subtitle. Let's Put that away. File size limitation does not really matter. It's just 6 seconds long. But really importantly, I need to switch on the apply image post-processing. So let me highlight that real quick. This is the part which needs to be switched on. And then when you basically click on export, I'll choose my desktop again and export it as an AVI. So now it's exported successfully. Click OK. So we're exiting out of Control Center as well. And I'll bring the exported video over. I make a double click. So the player starts, and here we have it. We have the Dewarped export as an AVI. So basically everybody without a special software can use it. And this is how I bridge the gap between Management Center, still missing that feature, and Control Center already, or still having that feature, luckily. But that's an easy way of doing it, and I hope you liked that little tip. Please leave your comments down below and let me know if you have other topics you'd like me to talk about in a video. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day. That was Christian Fint for ABP Technologies.